Given that 1 plus ax to the n is equal to 1 minus 4x minus 4x squared minus, where a and n are constants, find the values of a and n. Okay, so we write down the binomial expansion. 1 plus ax to the n is 1 minus 4x minus 4x squared. We know that 1 plus ax to the n, from our knowledge of binomial expansion, is going to be 1 plus n times ax plus n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial ax all squared plus. Okay, so if we now form some equations, this is not going to help us. 1 is equal to 1, but na will be equal to minus 4. That will help us, and then we can say that n minus 1 over 2 factorial times a squared will be equal to minus 4. So if we call this one equation 1 and this one equation 2, and then attempt to solve them to find the values of n and then a. So from 1 we can say that a is minus 4 over n, and we'll now substitute that into 2. So that will become n minus 1 over 2. Now I've written 2 instead of 2 factorial because 2 factorial is actually equal to 2 to make life easy for myself. Now this is a squared, so we'll need to put this into brackets and square it, and it's equal to minus 4. So if we now write down the first bit, that's okay. Minus 4 squared is 16, n squared is n squared. And now if we cancel the 2 and the 16, still equal to minus 4, we're going to get 2 and 8. Okay, and then we'll take that 8 over here, so we now get n minus 1 over n squared is equal to minus 4 over 8, doing a bit more cancelling, so the n and the n squared will cancel, and the 4 and the 8 will cancel, so we get a half. So we end up with n minus 1 over n is equal to minus a half. Cross multiplying, we're going to get 2n minus 2 is equal to minus n. So 3n, bringing that over here, minus 2 is equal to 0, and that will give me 3n is 2, n is 2/3. And this is what we expect, because this is why we use 1 plus something when we have a power which is between less than 1, or fraction. Okay, carrying on. We now substitute that into equation 1, which was na is equal to minus 4. So that gives me 2/3 of a is equal to minus 4. So a will be minus 4 times 3 over 2, which a is now minus 6. So therefore the final answer, a is minus 6 and n is 2/3. So it's been a video to show you how to find the constants of a binomial expansion. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.